Let me explain how we can use shifting left, right, up, and down to get new equations for a graph. Okay, so we start with a semicircle, and we know the equation is square root 4 minus x squared, right? And then let's see what's gonna be the new equation. If we say move this circle to the right by 2 units, so move 2 units, we get something like this, right? Now if we look at these two functions, they are graphs. Now this point over here is 4, this is 0. So at 4 and 0 it should be 0, right? And we know move to the right, that means x becomes x minus 2 units. So what we have is square root of 4 minus x minus 2 squared. And you see it makes perfect sense, because at 2 you will have 0 over here and have root 4, and this is going to be 2. Okay. And you can also flip it over, so-called reflection about the x-axis, and then you can have something like this. Okay, so if we flip it over, it becomes something like this, and this is 0 and 4. What it means is that positive value becomes negative value. So what you see over here is that just multiplied by a negative sign, and then it's negative root 4 minus x minus 2 squared. How about stretching? Let's say we hold these 2 points over here and stretch this graph downwards by a factor of 2. Then this is what we have, and here we have 0 and 4. Okay. The values at 0 and 4 are 0. If you multiply by 2, it's still 0. But if you multiply this value over here, negative 2 by 2, you get to negative 4. So your graph looks like this. This is called stretched vertically by a factor of 2. What it means is simply multiplied by 2. So what we have over here, the equation, the new one over here, f of x, is equal to negative 2 square root of 4 minus x minus 2 squared. And if you want to, you can multiply this out and simplify.